car, and I don't know how well y'all boy can hear me or not because I got this air on, but I'm not sitting in here without no air on. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. But I'm about to show y'all what you gotta move in order to get the headlighting out. Move this, this, and this, and you gotta move all of those in the back as well. And I'm gonna show y'all boy how to get through all that. We're gonna start with this. It's a little simple. You pull this down, and this is a little cover. If you pop this cover, it's gonna be I think starboat back there, a T boat, whatever. Then I can get it with my finger. Ugh. All right, there you go. And you pop the cover off. And you see you gotta take this out. That's on both sides. Same thing on that side. You take that out and just take it off. And then with this right here, it's the same thing. You pop this little cover off right here. Just like that. And you take that bolt out. And with this, you just pull it down. Oh, get from behind it. Mine is a hard, but I gotta use a pry tool for mine, but you pry behind it. You do that on both sides, and that's gonna fly a lot. Oh, tripping. No, it sounds like I'm breaking something, but I'm not. It's just a little bolts, not bolts, but clips right there. Of course, take the wire off so you can move that out the way. And then for these back ones, it's the same thing as the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock all that out, and I'm gonna catch up with that on. All right, this is the end result. This is what it look like after you take it out. Naked. Yeah. I'm about to go take it. I already took the hairliner in my room. I'm about to go start on that. All right, I got a couple in, got them couple of them going, so I'm gonna show y'all right now how I do it with this. Got 3 in right now. I'm gonna add another one, so I push it in there with that. Now I pick up one of these pieces right here. If I can get one up. Take it out, of course. And I see where I just stabbed it at. I know you can tell what it is right there. You hear that click? That means it went through. I just feed it through. That I'm hanging on right there. I'm gonna do this until all this is full. Man, this thing right here is a process, bro. It's real annoying. I'll tell you that right now, but this junk gonna look so raw, but I ain't even done, I don't know how many I did, but that's a good little bit. I still got something sitting over there to do. This thing look messy. And I still gotta go back. When I'm done poking every one of these toes, I go back, put glue on them, make sure they all the way in there. But this is how it's looking so far. Trying to make sure I don't have them all too close together. I know big spaces, but I'm still randomly putting them all out. Probably gonna end up putting some on the side some more. Finish those little bits out. Yeah. Probably like 4 hours in. 2 hours last night and 2 hours right now. Still got a whole bunch more to go. All right, so I glued all my pieces down and the super glue ended up not working. So what I did is use a hot glue gun. And I got the spraying on these little suckers. It ain't even take that long. I probably 45 minutes stops and knocking them all down. Cause once I got going with this, it was just spraying everybody get down, you feel me? But no, I did all these junks. That's how they look. They ain't going nowhere. I'll say that right now. They ain't going nowhere. Get that super glue. The hot glue and the hot glue gun, go to work. So now I'm about to trying to tape it up, make it look somewhat pretty so I can run it out the back toward my trunk. So I'm using electrical tape, taping it down, trying to get it all come out through the back right side, because that's where I'm gonna run it. Because you know your battery on the right side in the trunk. So yeah, I'm about to try to throw this back in there. We'll see how that go. Boy, them things dancing.
tomorrow.
It's the next day and I finally got this thing in here, man. I'm so happy to get this thing over with. This thing has been a headache, bro. This thing has been stressing me out, bro. I think my head been falling out, but got it back in here. Self-explanatory how to put it back in. You just reverse the way you took it out and you put it right back in. I was cutting the wires. I got a couple more wires to cut, but I'm showing y'all boy what I'm using to cut the wires. I'm using these well, you got wire cutters on these, so or whatever sharp that'll get the job done. See, I got a little bit of wires right here, but really, just come all the way to the top of one, like right here. Just like that, snip it. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I got it set up to where I didn't need no converter. Cause the type that I got, it already came with like a CarPlay option with it. And I'm gonna just show y'all about how I did it. All right, so bam, here go the little CarPlay that came with it already. I went to AutoZone, I got me a female 12 volt right here, and I created it, ran one to the fuse, the accessory fuse that was on that 12 volt up there. So these two are on the same thing, same fuse, and then of course a ground. And I grounded it right here because it was right there, simple. But yeah, I put it in the trunk, screwed that to the back seat, clean little setup or whatever. And I got it running through behind this cushion right here. This pulls up behind this panel. I gotta finish pushing that panel all the way in, but through that panel, and of course, all the way up, stars and whatnot. Oh. Turn this off. But yeah, see, it goes off as soon as the next one isn't off. So does this. So every time I cut it on, it'll cut back on. So it's simple.
6.5 hours later.
Yo, it's nighttime as you can tell, obviously, and I'm gonna show y'all boy what it look like. They brighter for sure, but all the colors playing through right now. Favorite color of the rainbow, twinkle mode on effect. You can see it twinkling as well. But it's all clean, man. Don't drain no battery. It's a clean little look. You see it dancing off my forehead. Big old forehead. This junk all bright or whatever. But yeah, that's it, y'all boy. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hey.